Hello everybody, welcome to this new lesson. In this lesson we will know how to create a loading animation with only CSS and HTML. The code as usual will be linked in the description. If you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe now and like this video. So let's go to the code and see what we have. First I will create an HTML file. I'll say new HTML. I will say loading 8. Over here I will create the elements I needed. I will say SVG and inside I will say rect. Okay, we don't need the height and the width. We'll adjust it with the great. Then I will go to create another file, another style file. I will say new, then style sheet I will call it style. Now I will link those files together. I'll say over here link, and href is style sheet, relationship is style sheet, and we have the type is text.css. Great. Now we'll go to the code over here. I will see the body, and in this place I will see the margin is 0, 0. The padding also would be 0, and we need to adjust the position, which would be absolute, and we need from top to be 50%, from top to be 50%, from left it would be also 50%, and we need it transform, translate, okay, translate negative 50% and negative 50%. Great. After that we will say the display is flex, and we need the another element which would be the align items the center. So great. Then the next element we will say background. We need the background color to be like, let's choose this color, and we'll change it later if we need. Then we'll go to the first element, which is SVG. I will set the height and the width. I will say SVG. We need to adjust the height and the width. I will see the width. That element would be, for example, 100 pixel. 100 pixel. Then the second is with height. We'll see the height. We need also to be 100 pixel, and we need something called border radius. We need to be 50%, so that they could be like circle. The second element would be like the direct inside the SVG, which is rect. Great. The width and the height would be the same. There would be no radius over there. We will create the next element, which would be the fill. We need it to be filled with none. We'll see fill, none. Stroke width would be let's see 100 pixel. Great. Then we will see stroke color. We'll see the stroke, and over here I will choose the color. I will say that color. Great. Let's change it over here. I will change that color to be like, for example, let's see that color, which we choose it over here. The next element I will choose it is stroke dash array. The stroke dash array is 100 pixel, or no, 100 only. Then we have stroke dash offset, which would be 50%. I would say 50%. Great. Then we have the animation that we create. I will say animation animate, and we will say for 2 seconds I need to go linear and infinite. Great. Now I'll create the keyframes. I have it here. I will see keyframes, and I will see the animate over here, and here I will see 2, and write the stroke offset. The stroke offset would be, for example, 250%, and let's save it. Double click the element over here and see what we have. We'll see the result now. Okay, now this was the result. This was the previous work, and this is our work for this lesson. Thanks for watching and listening. Again, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe so that you could help us to produce another content. Bye.